Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to share two boho wall art decor projects that I made, so let's just get started. Alright guys, so for this first project, you're going to want to grab a canvas, whatever size that you like. And for this project, I'm going to be using Montmart air dry clay. I tested this clay out in one of my best and worst air dry clay videos, and I did not like this, but I needed to find a way to get rid of this clay instead of just throwing it in the trash. So I'm going to be using it for this project, although I am scared that it's going to crack. So instead, I recommend using a clay like Daz, Sculpey, or Creative air dry clays. Anyways, I'm covering up the canvas with the clay, and I don't want the clay to be like perfectly smooth on the canvas, which is why I'm adding it like little bits at a time. I wanted a lot of texture here. And then I'm going to smooth it out just a tiny bit with a little bit of water on my fingers. Now that that's good, I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to grab some more clay and I'm going to roll out a thick coil. By the way guys, for this project, I wanted to recreate like this wall art piece that I had seen on a few posts that Bedthread had uploaded to their Instagram account. I don't know, I saw these pieces and I just became obsessed with them. Anyways, just by looking at the pictures, I'm going to try my best to recreate the heads. And if you're having trouble with your clay coils sticking onto your clay canvas, you can always add some slip under them to make everything stick together better. I'm super happy with this, and now I'm going to let this dry for about 2 days.
Later.
It's been about a day, and as you guys can see, the Montmart clay cracked basically everywhere. So in order to fix this, I'm going to take some Dollar Tree caulk and I'm just going to spread it all over to try to cover up the cracks. And I just used my fingers to spread it out because it was just easiest, but I would recommend using gloves. So now that this is all covered up, I'm gonna let this dry for another day. Alright, so here's our wall art now that it's dry, and I'm gonna very lightly sand the background just a tiny bit, and then I'm gonna paint it in the color Vintage White. To make the faces pop out just a little bit more than the background, I'm going to go over them with the color Vanilla Ice Cream by Apple Barrel, and it's basically just like one shade darker than the Vintage White. Okay guys, so for this project, you can draw out your own line art piece, but I decided to buy this little drawing on Etsy. It came with 15 other drawings to choose from, and it was like $1 if I remember correctly because it was on sale when I got it. And I'll make sure to link this in the description box if you guys want to use the same one that I did. And so I traced this one out onto a piece of paper, and the only thing that I did differently was that I didn't add in like the flower part at the top, and then I also decided to add in like a little earring. Now I'm going to go over this with a Sharpie, and you could also use like acrylic paint to do this. I'm I'm going back and I'm just erasing anywhere where I didn't trace over the pencil. And so now I'm going to take some of my dried flowers and I'm going to hot glue them all over the top of her head to make it look like she has hair. And there's no right or wrong way to do this, just do whatever you think looks best. And yeah, I think this looks pretty good, so we're done. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!